Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode on TenaHealth Initiatives Weekly Education. Today we are talking about something you might not know exists, but it does. That is spermatogenesis, or in simple terms we can describe it, call it or term it as boy's cycle or the sperm cycle. Yes, you might be wondering if whether there is a boys or a sperm cycle like menstrual cycle in girls. The answer is yes. In a way, boys have a cycle too, just like girls. I am Unisa Sapon, your facilitator for today's session. Now let's get right into it. In males, this cycle that we call the sperm cycle is technically called spermatogenesis, and spermatogenesis is the process through which sperm are produced in tiny tubes in your testes. These tiny tubes are called seminiferous tubules. So the sperm cycle, which we say it is technically called spermatogenesis, occurs in three main stages. The first stage is spermatocytogenesis. Spermatocytogenesis, which involves the division of germ cells into spermatocytes. The second stage is spermatidogenesis. Spermatidogenesis, which also involves the formation of immature spermatids. And the third stage is the spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis, which involves the maturation of spermatids into fully functional sperm. Interestingly, a single sperm cycle usually takes about 64 or 65 days until completion. Very long, right? Yes, you are right to think so. It is relatively longer than that of the female's menstrual cycle, which averagely takes 28 days, with the longest day perceived to be 35 days. Or most of the times, the females think they are the only people who have cycles. That is not true. Today, we've learned something. After each sperm cycle, approximately 100 million sperm are produced, and then they mature. The matured sperm are stored in the epididymis. After maturation, they are transported through the vas deferens during ejaculation into the vagina during sexual intercourse. Today, as we learn about the sperm cycle, which is spermatogenesis, and it is in relation to males, it's good we also take a look at one of the commonest things associated with males' reproductive health. Perhaps you may have heard it before, or this may be your first time. In either ways, that is why we are here. This common thing I'm talking about is the blue balls. Blue balls is a mild testicular discomfort which can occur when the testicles become temporarily congested with blood during sexual arousal without ejaculation. This may cause mild aching or sensitivity, but it is usually harmless. Because of its less harmful effects, relief can come naturally through ejaculation, physical activity, or shifting focus to other tasks. It is important to note that you should avoid relying on unregulated aphrodisiacs or sex enhancers, as they may be unsafe or ineffective. Most of the times, the males perceive that they have to finish this lady they are about to get in bed with. Per the pressure, they resort to the intake of all kinds of concoctions. In return, it can cause more harm than good. So, on today's episode, we've learned about the sperm cycle, which is rightfully said to have its name as spermatogenesis. Remember, Spermatogenesis is normal, healthy part of male body reproductive system, and it's best you understand it so that it will help you as a teen, young adult, and adolescent to make informed choices about sexual health and responsible behavior. This education, once again, is powered by TenaHealth Initiative as we empower teens and young adults through interactive SRH education. We are helping to make them take control of their health, make informed choices, and also understand their bodies. TenaHealth Initiative empowering teens and young adults through interactive learning.